and also
Chandan, it has. It will come tomorrow. So this is local.
Due to traffic jam,
Yeah, due to traffic jam.
Deputy CM is.
yeah.
No, sir.
The one which tomorrow it will happen. But you keep this.
Tomorrow we'll ensure that we come to you. Yeah, health loans like we got of.
My MLA.
Sir, please. Sorry, I missed you.
Thank you. Thank you.
And while we have seen the evolution of banking across India, somehow the TTAADC areas have always been neglected, be it in agriculture, tourism. There are various livelihood missions that we are going to assist us with. You have agreed to do so. It has been a problem for our indigenous people. What we need is hand-holding. And let me assure you that once given an opportunity, the indigenous person who has a lot of potential has been in similar projects. I know that you all are working with the government of Meghalaya in similar projects. I believe you all are working very in the field of fisheries as well. And I am confident that you will be able to give our people an opportunity to start dreaming for a better life. Coming to the point of assisting our indigenous Pitrasa people who live in the Autonomous District Council. We are very happy to learn from yourself that you have agreed to give our people loan to conduct their business.
TTAADC, 2 Killa, that is Rayabari, Gomati Zone, Bir Chandamano, South Zone, 4 Sikaribari, Dhalai Zone, Tulasikhar, White Zone, Kanchanpur, North Zone, Raskandi, Punapati Zone, Takarjala, Sipahijala Zone. And TTAADC will make available suitable accommodation approximately 1,000 square feet within the TTAADC areas in the above zone for Northeast Small Finance Bank to set up full-fledged branches. Northeast Small Finance Bank will also do publicity and marketing campaigns like putting up hoardings and flags, banners across the TTAADC zone headquarters, displaying the loans given in collaboration with TTAADC. Jointly do the loan melas and financial literacy campaigns with TTAADC across TTAADC areas. TTAADC will also open their SB account of both TTAADC headquarters and zonal offices with Northeast Small Finance Bank. These are the basic and important points that I wanted to flag. After referred to as the first party, and the Northeast Small Finance Bank Limited is the fully owned subsidiary of RGVN Northeast Microfinance Limited, a small finance bank having its head office at first and third floor, Fortune Central, Basistapur, Bailand, Beltala, Guwahati, Assam, to be represented by Managing Director, hereinafter referred to as second party. The number one point is, whereas the loan arrangements for the enterprises under the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council are hereby tied up with second party on the following terms and conditions: selection of beneficiaries and sanction of loans. For the purpose of this MOU, beneficiaries will include the following segments. Number 1, eligible small and medium enterprises, agricultural term loans, piggery loans, dakari, goatary, poultry loans, including local breed of chicken, cattle fishery loans, housing loans, personal loans, small commercial vehicle loans, goods and passenger carrying, small commercial vehicles for livelihood generation, skill development loans for job-oriented courses and tourism homestays. Selection of beneficiaries will be done by the first party, that is Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council Authority, and sent to the second party to complete the formalities in respect of the selected beneficiaries for sanction and release of loans to the beneficiaries based on criteria agreed to by both the parties. And today there are some terms and conditions. I am not going to read out all the terms and conditions. After signing this memorandum,